Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, you're going to discover how to make money with Clickbank by utilizing free traffic. All right, so this is going to be 100% free method. You don't even need to invest any dime. There's no credit card information required or whatsoever, and you don't even need any skill or any experience before. Right, so let's jump straight into our content. So we're going to be utilizing Clickbank as our affiliate platform. So we're going to be promoting dating guides, which is under health self-help niche. So this is the product that we're going to be promoting, which is Secret Obsession. So type in Secret Obsession, click search, and then you're going to see the Secret Obsession here. So each sale that we're going to bring to this particular offer, we're going to be able to make $55. All right, so just go ahead to the affiliate vendor page. So we need to have a affiliate vendor page because we're going to be using the PDF custom report, right? Custom PDF report. So you are free to use or free to promote whatever product that you want, as long as it has the a report. Or if it doesn't, you can also go to PLR, for example, PLR website. So just get one PLR report that related to the niche or the product that you want to promote, but you need to ensure that you will be able to insert your affiliate link in the product. So that is why I want to utilize the custom PDF, because we're going to be able later on to insert our link affiliate in the product. Okay, so I'm going to put my affiliate link here, and then we're going to track our ID. So maybe I'm going to put a PDF drive. So because we're going to be utilizing PDF drive site in order to drive tons of traffic for our affiliate offer. So I'm going to click I'm not a robot, and then simply click generate your personalized PDF report, right? So what it does is you're going to land over to this site. So this is your PDF report, custom PDF report. Okay, so just take a look at this PDF. It has 17 page, right, of PDF, and just take a look at the on the bottom of the report, right? You're gonna have your affiliate link insert in embedded in this PDF report. So when I click on the free presentation, it's going to drive traffic or your audience to the sales page. Okay, so this is actually the actual sales page. So when people buy from this sales page, you're going to make $55. So take a look at this link over here. It has embedded already with my affiliate ID link. Okay, so that is number one. That is the powerful of using the custom PDF report. Okay, so now we're going to go to the traffic source, right? So this is the site that going to help us to drive tons of traffic, and in fact this particular site here has generates 20 million visitors per month, guys, right? So I'm going to click on the similar web. So you're going to see, you're going to see how much traffic that this site has. 20 million. In fact, a couple of months ago, it has 30 million, almost 40 million per month. So this is very powerful free method. This is very powerful site whereby you can get tons of targeted traffic for anything that you want to promote. Right? So you can actually find pretty much everything, pretty much any niche in this site. So for example, this one is guide to personal transformation. This one is helping others drive our success, maybe about success. And take a look at this one, resisting happiness. This one, the story of the girl who stood up for education. Just take a look at the amount of the downloads, guys. 500,000. This one 600,000, 135,000, 387,000, and the amount of download is insane, guys. So can you imagine if you can have your which is our PDF report here, upload here, and then when people download, and then when people interested, they're going to go through, right? By the way, this is actually a full content, right? The high value content for those who are interested to with dating advice, right? So when they go through, then they find a lot of value in our content. They're going to click on the free presentation, right? So then they're going to lead to this site, and then they're going to make a purchase perhaps. Okay, so let's try to find some something that related to advice, a dating guide, for example, relationship, for example. Okay, So you can type any keyword that you want and then simply click enter, and then you can see here total relationship marketing, overcome our relationship, right? So 8,000 downloads. Okay, right, dating advice for men, 69,000 downloads. That's crazy, guys. Inside her mind, 81,000 downloads. Can you imagine how much money that you could possibly make with this tons of traffic? Okay, but this is all targeted traffic, because like you and me, if let's say if we are not interested into this dating advice, I will not download, right? So maybe I'm going to go like marketing or how to make money online, affiliate marketing and stuff like that, right? So means that those people who are downloaded this report or this ebook are really targeted. Okay, so let's try find be irresistible, his secret obsession, for example. Secret obsession, right? Secret obsession. So let's see whether we could find the exact. All right, here you are, right? This is the exact PDF like ours here. Okay, so someone has already uploaded in this site, so he gotten 1,300 downloads. That is pretty good amount of downloads, guys, right? So same goes with this guy over here, 2,000 downloads. Let's see if we could find more secret obsession, right? So you can go on and on, but I think, okay, let's take a look at this one over here. So 2,000 download. Let's pull out my calculator. Let's take a look how much money that you could possibly make with 2,000 downloads, guys. Okay, so just wanted to go real quick. 2,384, right? So let's assume 10% out of this amount of traffic going to click on your affiliate link, so equal to 238. So 238 times maybe 3% out of them going to click the affiliate link, going to purchase, to make the purchase, right? So equal to 7 sales. So let's take a look how much you're going to make per sale. You're going to make $55 per sale, right? So $55 times 7 sales equal to $385, guys. So that's pretty decent amount of money, considering this is 100% free traffic. There's no investment needed, right? So can you imagine, can you see how much potential for this site, right? So that is what we're going to do now. So I'm going to drive you the entire process, how to make this happen. All right, but before that, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, I would invite you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you could find some value throughout my sharing here. Right, so the next thing what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to sign up. The sign up process is very simple, straightforward. There's no investment. You don't even need to put your credit card information whatsoever. So I have logged in, and then I'm going to click upload. So before that, I'm going to download this report first. So I'm going to simply download it on my desktop, and then I'm going to go ahead to upload my PDF report here. Right, so before that, one trick that I want to share with you here. So instead of rename your, because this is based on keyword, right? People are going to search on keyword. So what you want to do is, let's take a look at advice keyword, advice, dating advice, right? So I want to see how many downloads that this keyword has generated, right? Whenever people type in dating advice, all these sort of files or ebook going to appear, right? So take a look at the download, guys. 69, this one 43, 81, 54, 51, and etc. So compared to if you type in secret obsession, okay, this is secret obsession, and there's not so many people, maybe there's not so many people aware for this exact keyword, which is our product name, secret obsession, right? So I think rather than put your file name and target this keyword, what you need to do instead is just target with the dating advice, right? So I'm going to type in dating advice, and I'm going to give you some trick, a little trick that going to accelerate or going to give you some boost for your report. Okay, so I just want to give you let you know that there are two types of account for PDF drive when you get signed up, which is free and paid version, right? So we're going to be utilizing free version. That's no problem, but I just want to let you know that with free version you won't be able to have your cover like this, right? So take a look at me. It may help you to get some boost if you have a cover. So this is the free one, but it's completely okay. That is the reasons why you need to rely 100% on the headline or on your title of your PDF report. Okay, so that is why I advise you to put dating advice instead of the secret obsession. So dating advice, because when you type in dating advice, you're gonna see a lot of downloads, so means that a lot of people are actually searching for this particular keyword. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this as dating advice. Okay, that's first one. And then dating advice alone doesn't look compelling enough, right? So what we're going to need to do is I'm going to go to the landing page, and then we want to find some sort of headlines that the grabbing attention headline. All right, for example, like this one is something he craves, or more than love, more than money, even more than sex. Okay, we wanted to put this headline next to the dating advice on our file, right? So I'm going to do, maybe I'm going to copy this one. It looks interesting. It's something he craves, or maybe I'm going to copy the whole thing here, or maybe just this one, or maybe I'm going to simply copy everything, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this this PDF, and then I'm going to rename it advice, and then I'm going to put some dash there, and then just simply paste it there, right? Okay, all right. Okay, it doesn't allow us to do that. Shouldn't be any sign there. Okay, just paste, and then maybe I'm going to delete all this dot. Okay, all right, cool. So what I'm going to do next is simply upload this file. So go ahead to upload this on my desktop. Okay, this is the one. Click upload, and I'm not a robot, and then you can start upload. Okay, so I'm going to click upload. So you got the idea, all right? So because of we are utilizing the free version, free account, so we won't be able to have all this cover over here, right? It may help you to boost your sales or your download, but because of the free account, we won't be able to do this. But it's okay. Just go with the free account first, and then once you get a sale, and then you can reinvest it back to go with the pro version. By the way, the pro version going to cost you almost $30 per year. All right, it's still worth it, because it's only going to cost you like approximately like $2, right? $2 a month, which is equal to $30 per year. Okay, so it is done. So this is the file that has uploaded on my site. All right, so what you're going to need to do next is you just need to wait for a sale. So just monitor how many downloads that you have, and you can also accelerate the process by download more reports here. Okay, we have 2 reports, by the way, so you can download both reports, and then redo the exact same thing, which is upload to the site, and then try to get some sale. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy this content, and I hope you take action, and you can comment down below what is your result by utilizing this method. And by the way, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you could find some value throughout my sharing here, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.